Ready to dive into the heart of Tokyo? Today, we're exploring Shibuya, the vibrant district that truly represents the pulse of Tokyo. If you're looking for the ultimate urban experience, Shibuya is where the city's energy and excitement come alive. You're standing at the world-famous Shibuya Crossing, where hundreds of people cross the street from all directions in a mesmerizing dance of chaos and order. It's one of Tokyo's most iconic sites and a must-see for anyone visiting the city. The crossing is surrounded by towering skyscrapers and neon billboards, creating a dazzling visual feast. Here's a fun fact to impress your friends. Shibuya Crossing is often called the busiest pedestrian crossing in the world. During peak hours, you'll see thousands of people navigating these busy intersections, making it a true spectacle of Tokyo's bustling city life. As you explore Shibuya, you'll discover a treasure trove of shopping, dining, and entertainment options. Head over to Shibuya 109, a trending shopping mall that's a hotspot for the latest fashion and pop culture trends. For a unique shopping experience, check out Shibuya's boutiques and second-hand stores. You never know what fashion gems you might find. For food lovers, Shibuya is a paradise. From street food stalls offering delicious takoyaki and okonomiyaki to upscale restaurants serving sushi and ramen, there's something to satisfy every craving. And don't forget to grab a drink at one of Shibuya's lively izakaya or rooftop bars with stunning city views. Here is a tip for a truly memorable experience. Visit the Ashiko statue, a tribute to the famous loyal dog Ashiko, who waited for his owner at Shibuya Station every day for years. It's a heartwarming piece of Tokyo's history and a popular meeting spot. And if you're a fan of nightlife, Shibuya won't disappoint. The district is known for its vibrant nightlife scene, with numerous clubs, bars, and live music venues to choose from. Whether you want to dance the night away or enjoy a relaxed evening with friends, Shibuya is the place to be. Snap some photos of the bustling streets and neon lights and tag us at Pocket Explorer. Au revoir and keep exploring!